You're watching Reality Check. Controversy has exploded over the government's new bill passed by Parliament today meant to clean up India's voter rolls using Aadhaar. The opposition has strongly opposed the move, saying that the bill was rammed through without debate and that the move would be disastrous, leading to scores of voters being left out of electoral rolls. The bill allows, the new bill with the Aadhaar voter ID link, election officials to ask for the Aadhaar number of those registering as voters and also the Aadhaar number of those already registered to weed out duplicates. The government argues that this will help tackle the menace of the multiple enrollment of the same person, and that other political parties had also made a similar proposal in 2018. As for the fear that using Aadhaar may lead to millions of exclusions of those who may not have an Aadhaar card or identification failures, they point to provisions in the bill which don't make Aadhaar mandatory. Let's listen to what the law minister had to say.
कि एक आदमी का अगर 3-3, 4-4 जगह में नाम है या आपका फर्जी लोगों का नाम इलेक्शन का लिस्ट में डाला है तो उसको साफ करना कोई तो कदम तो उठाना चाहिए कि जो इसको गलत तर्क दे करके जो हंगामा करने का कोशिश किया लोकसभा में भी राज्यसभा में भी वो थोड़ा ठीक। आधार कार्ड को लिंक करना कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है, वॉलंटरी है और इससे इलेक्शन का जो प्रोसेस है इसमें आधार का कार्ड अगर नहीं भी दे सकते हैं तो भी आपको डिलीशन करने का कोई संभावना नहीं है।
In fact, there was high drama later on as one of the senior leaders of the opposition, the TMC's Rajya Sabha MP, Derek O'Brien, was suspended for the remaining portion of the term of this particular session of Parliament, the allegation being that he threw the rule book in the House. And Derek O'Brien, in fact, joins me live on the show. Derek O'Brien, thank you so much for joining us. Obviously, opposition agitated about this bill. We'll get into that in just a second. But tell us now about this business where you've been suspended for throwing the rule book. Did you do that? Did you actually, you did throw the rule book?
You see, Mr. Jain, 8 MPs got suspended exactly 1 year and 3 months ago. September, exactly 1 year and 3 months ago, 8 MPs got suspended. We sat after that at the Gandhi statue. Why did we get suspended? Because the government was bulldozing the farm laws, breaking every rule and rewriting the rules of parliament and murdering parliament.
Sure.
We got suspended them. Let me finish. 8 MPs got suspended them. Then you know what happened? Modi and Shah had to eat humble pie and then the farm laws got repealed.
No, but coming today, yes, the rule book.
Today,
throwing of the rule book. Yes.
I explained 6 minutes. I gave this government a tutorial between 2 o'clock and 2:06 as to how they had again murdered democracy. Please understand, they passed a bill yesterday in 20 minutes in Lok Sabha. You're supposed to allow me 2 days. No Rajya Sabha member was allowed not even 1 day. The MPs from all opposition parties had given, same like the farm bills.
Okay, Derek O'Brien.
They had all given resolutions.
I want to come
to that. Parliament.
I want to come to that in a second. I want to ask you about the allegation that you threw the rule book. According to the Vice Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, you flung the rule book furiously in the direction of the chair. The rule book would have hit the chair or secretary or official sitting at the table.
Really? Really? Somebody threw a rule book. Parliament is being burnt. Modi and Shah roaming around in Parliament every day with a knife, murdering democracy. 12 MPs are sitting outside. Democracy is being murdered. 700 farmers were killed.
But
who did that? Who did that?
No, but one second.
Who murdered democracy?
Does that still... No, so are you saying that justifies your throwing the rule book?
Show me the footage. They've suspended me for 1 day.
Yes.
My gosh. Imagine if I threw the rule book. Show me the footage. Who said I threw the rule book? Who said I threw the rule book? And let's assume I threw the rule book.
No, are you denying that you threw the rule book?
Let us assume.
No, but once again, before we come to the assumption, Once again,
Mr.
Derek O'Brien,
Jain.
did you or did you not throw the rule book? Because it's
Show
important.
me the footage. You see, this is what I mean by throwing the rule book. Okay, here. This is the rule book. Here. Ow. That's throwing the rule book. I did not do that. This
Okay.
is the throwing. I understand throwing. This is throwing. Here's the rule book. Pick it up. Throw. Listen. Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah are murdering Parliament every day. Young people of India, what is happening? Listen, Mr. Jain, let me say this.
No, but Derek
12
O'Brien.
MPs are sitting outside. What,
Okay.
Mr. Jain?
I'm not on
democracy
that.
is being murdered.
No, I'm
Oh, you're
coming
not.
to the wider
Murder.
implications of this bill, but I'm still trying to pin you down on a point of fact, because that is the allegation that has been made, that you've been suspended because you threw the rule book. It's still not clear to our viewers watching whether, according to you, you did or not. So why not just clarify that clearly?
So then show the footage.
So you deny it.
Show the footage.
So I'm saying you're denying throwing
Please
the rule
also
book?
listen to me. Mr. Jain,
Okay.
please listen to me. I
All right.
put out a video. 1 minute, Mr. Jain. I put out a video because television got censored inside.
Yes.
I had to jump out of Parliament, told my colleagues from all the other opposition that I'm going out to put out a video. I had to put out a video for 1 minute because
Okay.
they're censoring television inside Parliament.
So if you
Please
didn't-
understand,
So if you didn't
because
if you didn't throw the rule book, then why have you been suspended? If according to you didn't throw the rule book.
Because this government doesn't like to listen to tutorials. They are making a mockery out of Parliament. They are murdering Parliament. There are 12
Okay.
MPs sitting outside. Here is my prediction.
All right.
If BJP comes if BJP by chance wins the election in 2024,
Right.
now 80% of Parliament rules and precedents have gone. The 20% which is left, that will also go. This is a very serious issue.
Okay, but
This is a very, very serious issue. Young India, listen to what
okay. But
MPs
now
are
tell
saying.
me. Okay, but now tell me about okay.
My last point, Mr. Jain.
No, I'll come to
Mr.
the last point, but let me just ask you a question, because coming to the bill itself, hold on, let me ask the question, Derek O'Brien.
Yes.
The government is saying that the allegation that the bill was rammed through is not correct, that a number of parties, including yours, were part of the parliamentary consultations on the bill. Is that true?
Let me state the sequence of events. Then you let the viewers decide
No,
whether
if you
there
go-
was a 100-ton bulldozer. No, not true. Let me give you the facts. 3 facts.
So not
Three facts.
consulted. Not consulted?
Hear me out, Mr. Jain. Let
Yes.
me give you. Hear me out, Mr. Jain. A bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha, in Lok Sabha, and passed in 1 hour in Lok Sabha. Hear me out. By 3 p.m. yesterday. This is Indian Parliament. This is not Indian Parliament. This is the Modi and Shah murder show. The murder of Parliament. Listen, it's passed yesterday. Listen. 3 facts. It's passed yesterday in Lok Sabha.
Okay.
Opposition, 1
Okay.
minute. Number 2, the copy of the bill is uploaded on the website
Okay.
round about evening. You're
All right.
supposed to give me 48 hours as an MP to pass a resolution.
Okay.
That 48 hours became 18 hours.
All right.
Because this is no more parliament. This is the MSG.
Okay. All right.
And
We'll
it's
have to leave it
Modi
there.
Shah Gymkhana.
Okay. Okay. We'll have to leave it there.
Don't laugh.
No,
Don't laugh,
it's-
Mr. Jain.
I've been trying
Mr.
not
Jain,
to,
it's not
but-
a laughing matter.
I've been trying not to, but every time
Very
there's
serious.
a
This is
a
Indian
new
Parliament
acronym
being
or a
murdered.
twist.
Indian
All right.
Parliament being murdered.
All right.
May I make a 1 point?
No, we are out
I
of
will
time now.
join my 12 colleagues.
Yes.
I will join my 12 colleagues
Yes.
to sit tomorrow with them
Okay.
from 10 o'clock in the morning
All right.
in Dharna.
Okay,
Badge
you
of
join your
honor.
colleagues.
Badge of honor for Trinamool.
All right. Badge of honor for Trinamool. Derek O'Brien, thank you so much indeed for joining us on the show. But of course, as I mentioned, the allegation still claiming that you did throw the rule book. Okay, let's go across now to panel. We in fact have with us another MP that has been suspended or was suspended, continues to be Priyanka Chaturvedi, Rajya Sabha MP, leader of the Shiv Sena. is with us. Alok Vats, leader of the BJP, Amar Patnaik, Rajya Sabha MP of the BJD. Thank you all so much for being here. Coming to you, Priyanka Chaturvedi, in just a second, but a quick response first from Alok Vats. Derek O'Brien saying that, Alok Vats, this is murder of democracy, no debate, no discussion, bill. I'm coming to the merits of the bill later, but the manner in which it was rammed through.
Well, Mr. Jain, Derek P. O'Brien is very good at verbal gymnasium and throwing different languages and coining different words to say things against Modi and Shah. But the fact is that he did misbehave today. That for that he has been suspended.
What about what about the manner in which the bill was pushed through in both houses within a matter of moments with no debate?
Well, it's not a matter of moment. It took an hour in Lok Sabha, but the standing committee consisting of people from all parties, they had debates on this for long, and then they sent it to the Lok Sabha. So why waste time there again?
Why waste time? That's the very interesting way of describing what Parliament does, which is it actually sits and debates and dissects important bills.
And Srinivas, the fact is that
out of public interest.
It is voluntarily. You wish to get it linked, you get it linked. Otherwise, you don't wish to get it linked, don't get it linked. So where is somebody being hurt? It is voluntarily. You want to link your Aadhaar card
get a link.
The voter list.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The link. Okay, I'll come to that in a second. We're not getting into the merits of the bill yet. But Priyanka Chaturvedi, the assertion being made that by the government that there was ample opportunity to debate, but the opposition was already done, and the opposition is always disrupting. The latest example now, the allegation that Derek O'Brien, throwing the rule book.
No, where is the space for discussion when you are bringing in a revised list of business on the last 2 days, 3 days of the remainder of the session, and you wanting to push it through because you do not know, you clearly know that you will not get the confidence of the opposition, and opposition have legitimate concerns about the bill. They have been following a pattern of trying to silence the opposition, not allowing debates to happen. We have seen this umpteen examples. I'm not going to get into this bill, that bill. We saw the Farm Law Bill. We saw how the Farm Law Bill was repealed without a discussion. So this is a sorry excuse of, we want democracy to run, we want dissent to happen, we want debates to happen, but opposition doesn't contribute. It's a shame on the government and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, the leader of House of the Rajya Sabha, who continue to have this adamant stance that they will not entertain any kind of dissent or discussion. It's a shame on India's parliamentary democracy that we have such people exist who continue to defend, and there are some political parties who continue to support what the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing.
Right.
And I can tell you one thing.
Yes.
The precedents you're setting now, if they ever happen to be in the opposition, I'm certain that we will not even allow them a similar, discussion or dissent to happen the way they're treating us right now. You're leading the parliament towards making a mockery of democracy as it exists and not allowing opposition to speak.
Hold on. Are you saying that if the roles are reversed, you'll do the same? Did I get you right?
Well,
no. I'm saying that you're leading towards that. Not that I'm going to. Sir, I did not interrupt you. I've been listening to you all patiently. Yes. I've been listening to a broken record for past 23 days, demanding an apology from the parliamentarians who are doing their call of duty, which was to speak up for the people of this country. Okay. I do not wish to interrupt you all. You better not interrupt me. You'll have denied me my voice inside the parliament. I will not allow you to shut me up here.
Please speak, Priyanka Chaturvedi.
Please, how I behaved, what I behaved, I will not seek certificates from you.
1 second, Mr. Vats.
I will not seek certificates from you.
1 second, Mr. Vats. 1 second. Okay, to the point though, Priyanka Chaturvedi made Amar Patnaik.
What chairman took? Who has done that? The motion has been passed by a voice vote.
Okay, just
on
a second.
Suspension of the 12 members of parliament, which is unheard of. Goes against the constitution of this country and parliamentary democracy of the country. Don't come and defend this. Okay. You will not be able to defend this. You will not be able to defend this, and you'll be left shameless if you don't have any shame left.
Okay. 1 second. Let's go to Amar Patnaik, because Amar Patnaik, Biju Janata Dal, Rajya Sabha MP, Priyanka Chaturvedi says that this is undemocratic what is happening in parliament, and parties like yourselves are enabling it. Were you not, let me understand, the BJD did support this bill? Biju Janata Dal?
That's right.
You were not concerned about the manner it was pushed through, nor about the concerns about voter ID, Aadhaar linkage?
We did express our concern. While supporting the bill, we did caution the government about the possible misuse of the linking exercise. While it has its advantages in terms of removal of duplicate, voters, or in terms of allowing migrant laborers to get a chance to vote, or also in terms of removing bogus voters, there are huge risks, and we did indicate those risks. The most important is that you are allowing two huge databases getting linked. So
but when you said, so you said you did express your concern, but there really was no debate. There was no debate. The bill was passed, in moments. Did that not worry you?
We got our time. Whatever time was given, we got our time, and we did speak on the bill. Our member, Mr. Sujit Kumar, spoke on the bill, and quite extensively, whatever you wanted to express in terms of the advantages and the disadvantages, and also the fact that if at all, since there is no personal data protection bill which has come into enactment so far, so if at all this data is available to a political party, then it should be available to all political parties, because it has the ability to profile, to do political targeting. We need to express this.
Okay. Priyanka Chaturvedi wants to come in. Priyanka, to this point that, that the parties that did not walk out, that participated and were able to intervene, while...
With all due respect, how much was their concerns addressed? With all due respect to BJD and Dr. Amar Patnaik, how much of their concerns were addressed? Please understand, fundamental right to privacy has been trampled all over, undermining democracy and also undermining the Supreme Court's decision of not allowing Aadhaar to be linked with not such stuff which is not needed, where they do not need to interlink the two. Now, how can you protect the data sets from being compromised when we have severe leakage issues with regards to Aadhaar details?
Right.
My last but not the least, in Madras High Court had asked the Election Commission to actually check on the fact that in the Puducherry elections, Bharatiya Janata Party misused the data that they had with them, where Aadhaar cards were linked to election cards, and they had the data sets which they were using to decide who they are going to be targeting as voters and the voter profiles. And isn't it a fact that 55 lakh voters in Telangana were disenfranchised ever since this exercise began? So as much as they might want to show that they are expressing their concerns, those concerns are not being addressed. With all due respect to the BJD.
I'll come back to the BJD in a second, but the point is here, Alok Path's coming now to the actual bill itself, that there has been considerable concern over this linkage. In fact, in 2015, I beg your pardon, the Aadhaar voter link was halted by the Supreme Court. The EC was doing a Aadhaar voter ID link purification drive of the electoral rolls. It was suspended precisely because there were concerns that large numbers of people were being excluded.
See, let me tell you one thing, that it is voluntarily. If you wish to do it, get it linked. It is not compulsory. So
but if there's a problem, if the system is not perfect, if there have been concerns in the past, why even bring it in?
Let me tell you one thing. It's very clear that the system is not perfect. There are people, migrant laborers, as the Honorable BJD MP said, there people get themselves registered as voters to various places. There are people who are having 3
but I'm saying, how do we know that this is the solution? When there have been problems in the past,
all these Bangladeshis
number two, Alok Path,
given Aadhaar card and enrolled as voters.
Okay, number two, when you talked about the mandatory versus the optional aspect of it, as we know, in many cases, Aadhaar is not supposed to be mandatory, but again and again, it is operationally made mandatory. So whether it's to passports, whether it's for government benefits, the government says it's not mandatory, but when people go, unless they produce their Aadhaar, they don't get those benefits.
You see, there has to be some linkage to prove your identity. Aadhaar
that
is
wasn't my point. But my point was that the mandatory versus voluntary aspect does not play out on the ground. Let me just go across to Dr. Qureshi. Dr. Qureshi is with us, former Chief Election Commissioner of India. Dr. Qureshi, we were talking earlier, you said that in your time this was an experiment which was attempted. But do you still think, given that subsequently there have been instances where there have been concerns about how this link has not really worked, that one should push ahead with it?
Yeah, as I said, in our time it was initiated. Mr. Nilekani came to Election Commission and we discussed. That was the time when we were trying to identify duplicate voters, running all kinds of deduplication software. And we thought Aadhaar will be another deduplication facility.
Okay.
And so we say we'll link it and at some point in time.
Right.
That was the point when we had started collecting, experimenting with the biometrics, fingerprints. We did it in Goa on an experimental basis. Then we abandoned it, hoping that we will then eventually link with Aadhaar.
Okay.
And of course, then after that, there was this history in going to Supreme Court stopping it.
All right.
Now, so long as it is a deduplication software, it's a great thing. But, in which case it should be compulsory. What does it mean that you make it optional? Somebody comes to you, Vasu, and says that I want to link your voter card to Aadhaar.
Right.
So please give me permission. Why will you give permission? Why will I give permission? And
Okay, so you're saying-
mind you, 90 crore voters have to be approached for their individual approval.
Okay, so you're saying that's actually like the optional or the opt-out is actually doesn't help the purpose of the bill. But last word from you, Priyanka Chaturvedi. Coming back to Priyanka, the actual aspect of the argument here that there's procedure not being followed in Parliament, this is the question I asked Derek O'Brien as well, that does that merit then actions by the opposition of disrupting the House, like here the allegation is throwing the rule book and so on and so forth?
So firstly, I'd just like to say your disruption is part of a parliamentary democracy and the democracy of India, where it's opposition's duty to raise their voice every time the government doesn't work for the people of this country.
No, but
not my
even
words.
by throwing
they were,
the rule book?
Arun Jaitley ji's words. We saw sessions after sessions get. I do not know what he did because I stand suspended, if you remember. And I am watching exactly what you're watching outside of the parliament. So if you haven't seen it, I haven't seen it, I'm the last one who's going to be judging on this. But I can tell you one thing. In the last session, there is a video of one member of parliament getting on the table, throwing a rule book at the chair, but no action was taken against that person because this is a case of selective targeting. This is a case of selective silencing of voices.
All right, selective silencing of voices. Well, let's see how this particular debate and the passage of the journey of this bill plays out. Will it even kick in time for the coming elections? We don't know. Many unanswered questions yet. But that's all the time we have. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.